Good morning, boys and girls. Today is day 7 of our word sword, ink, ank, and unk. So today we are going to do our blind sword. When you do your blind sword, you know the first thing we got to do. Right, pause the video and sort your words. Now that you unpause the video, I'm going to unveil my words right here. I want you to go ahead and pause the video one more time. Let me straighten these out. And I want you to go ahead and check that your words are in the right category. All right, pause that video and check it. All right, now that you checked your words and you checked that you have them in the right category, you need to take your folder or a piece of paper and cover up all your words so you cannot see them anymore. See, like I covered mine up. Because today is the blind sword, and we're going to go over the rules real quick for the blind sword as we're setting up our page. All righty. So I'm going to write first my date. Today is 1-23-22. And this is my blind sword. You know that you capitalize all the words in your title. I'm going to underline it. And then I'm going to draw my 3 columns. My first header is ink. My second column is ink. Remember to write nice and neat. The last one is unk. And I'm going to underline it because that's my header. If it's a little crooked when you make lines, it's okay. So you remember in a blind sword, we need to remember words. I'm going to writing down all the words that we remember. So I remember the word bank because, bank and money, never got enough. Bank. I'm going to write it under my ink column because that's where it belongs. Then I also remember chunk. Chunk, because I told you need to chunk your words when you read long words. Chunk. All right, and then there's another word that I remember, and that is, I'm looking for an ink word, that's sink. I know that rocks sink. They go down in water. Now, if these were all the words I remembered, you need to write all the words you remember without looking down here. When you're done writing all the words you remember, you draw a line underneath it. And then you go check out your words. That means you take the paper off your words and you look to see if you have all of them. All the ones you were missing in this column, write them down. All the ones you missed in this column, write them down. And all the words you were missing in this column, write them down. The bottom half is for you to know what words you don't know. Now, when you're checking, you should also check that you wrote these correctly because that's what we're practicing, right? So go ahead and do your blind sword. When you're done, show it to me so I can sign you off. See you next time.